I see you've done some shopping. Where did the money come from?
Why does it matter where I got it? Do you like your new teapot or not?
Welcome back to Break 2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build Zuko and Iroh as fugitives. To start with Iroh, you will need a gray balding hairpiece. His head is from Santa Claus. He has the torso of a Russian guard, but the stars in the belt buckle have been rubbed off. He will need olive green arms, yellow hands, and sand green legs. For his accessories, you can give him a teapot and cup. You can also give him a straw hat for shade, and a pie show tile. Moving on to Zuko, you'll need short black hair. His head comes from Kai. The torso is from the Dark Forest Fortress set. The arms are from anybody who happens to have olive green arms. He will also need some yellow hands, and his legs are from the Volcano Exploration Base. For his accessories, he has a knife, a flame he can't seem to keep hidden, a blue spirit mask from the Battle Pack Blitzer set, and 2 of Lloyd Garmadon's swords from the Ninjago movie. That concludes how to build banished Zuko and Iroh. Feel free to subscribe for more tutorials.